Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nick. So, last night we had a big clean out. It's like a house clean out. They called us like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And they have 1-800-JUNK guys out there who couldn't complete the job. So they called the professionals. And they asked us, hey, we need this done. We don't care what it costs. 1-800-JUNK can't do it. Can't finish it. Can you guys do that? We said, hell yeah, we can. And we teamed up with Lightweight Hauling. Their lightweight dumpster in Vista. And so yeah, we got it. We got it fucking done. Took us about an hour. So we were there from I got there like 4, and we were done by 5. We made a lot of money, dude. So those are the jobs that when people call you, you need to get it done because they pay. They paid us a really good amount of money. Actually, we made some good money on that thing. And so this morning, we got another job later. So I got to go through our truck. All this stuff is all donations or recyclables. We got to pull out all the chemicals because we got to get rid of those later. Oh, look at this. Mirror lights. Bunch of lights. What the hell? So you got to go through, you got to clean up all the chemicals. So we'll dispose of all those stuff properly. Go through all the Goodwill items so we could donate a bunch of stuff. So that's really kind of important to do. Got a bunch of little tools. Always getting stuff. Oh, I just dumped it out. Some drawers. Oh, a bunch of stuff in there. Check it out. Holy shit, check it out. We just found all that money, dude. Ching, 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 ching. People throw away money. We're taking it. Dude. Ooh, looking some gold, bro. Ooh, check it out. We got a bag full of nickels. We got some gold. Treasures. And so, yeah. So we're going to go through this stuff right now. Get to our next job this morning. And keep the hustle going. Making some cheddar. People call. Get out there. Get it done. Make it happen. It was funny because I called 2 other junk companies. 2 of my friends. They didn't pick up their phones. I was like, whatever. Got a hold of the lightweight dumpster removal or lightweight dumpster in Vista. Just met the guy. He's like, fuck yeah, dude, we're there. We'll knock this thing out. No problem. That's what we do. So, anyway, super easy. Hour. Made really good money. Super stoked. Still was able. We're going to be back at it today. Give us a holler if you need anything.